Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. In this video, we are going to discuss about one more important topic, that is from the Lagrangian formalism and equation of motion only. Under the Lagrangian formalism and equation of motion, I told 2-3 questions. I took the live classes. So this is variety of the Lagrangian equation of motion in that rolling constraint. What is the constraint? Constraint means to reduce the degree of freedom, we are using the constraints. So the constraints are very, very important. Suppose if you have to take a generalized coordinates, the generalized coordinate how arise because of the constraints only, the generalized coordinates arise. So generalized coordinates means to describe the body of the motion, how many coordinates are needed, those coordinates we call it as a generalized coordinates. Suppose in the system so many coordinates can exist, that is because of the degree of freedom, so many bodies, so many coordinates can exist, but in that coordinates some equal, some same coordinates are arising. So that's why over the same coordinates are arising, those coordinates we are removing, the next coordinates we have to take, those coordinates we call it as a generalized coordinates. Clear? So there in the we are using the generalized coordinate or condition for the constraints. Based on the condition for the constraints, we have to construct this problem, right? How we have to construct the problem? This problem was asked in JEST 2014. Was asked JEST examination, joint entrance entrance test, screening test, joint entrance screening test. In the India, so many JEST laboratories are there, like Aryabhatta, Bose Institute, Jain, CSIR, Raman Research Center. Like so many organizations are there. Those organizations are JEST laboratories in India. To enter into the JEST laboratory as a scientist or junior scientist or research scholar, you need to clear this exam. So how the people will ask the questions, you able to see here. So 2-point objects A and B have masses. 2-point objects are there. Suppose you have to take, this is the 1-point object is there, that mass is equal to 1000 kg. This is the A point object. So 2-point objects A and B have the masses. One more point object is there, that mass is equal to 3000 kg. One object is there, that mass is equal to 1000 kg, and one more object is there, that mass is equal to 3000 kg is there, right? And respectively, they are initially at rest. This particle is at rest, this particle is at rest. They are initially at rest. They are initially at rest. After some separated from 1 meter, initially at rest with a separation of equal. Their mutual gravitational attraction, mutual gravitational attraction. So what is that mutual gravitational attraction? You have to see, because of the gravitational attraction, this A particle and B particle is colliding, right? A particle and B particle, so attraction then draws them together. How far from A's original position? So A's is there. How far from A's original position? You have to take it as a let x. So if it is x, A from original position, if it is x, the B as well as 1 minus x it will come. B is a 1 minus x. Clear? So therefore, by using the condition of the constraint condition, what we have to write, the constraint condition is going to take. So the because of the constraint condition is equal to, we have to write it is m1 into x. M1 into x is equal to 1 minus x into m2. This is the constraint condition we able to write it is. M1 into x is equal to 1000 into x is equal to 3000 into 1 minus x. 1000 into x is equal to 3. The 1000 get cancelled. Now we need to find out the x value. X is equal to 3 minus 3x. So therefore 3 is equal to 4x. X is equal to 3 by 4. So this is the where it is located. Exactly is located 3 by 4 of m. 3 by 4 of m means 3 by 4 of so the a's part. You able to take the exact position is what is that exact position? 3 by 4th of the is this is your correct option, correct answer. You able to take it. Is clear? So this is the rolling condition, rolling particles constraint condition. Based on the rolling particles constraint condition, we able to write it is x is equal to 1 minus x. Now you have to add it to that mass also. M into x is equal to m into 1 minus x. You able to take that is a very important option. So like this you able to do in your competitive examination if the problems will come in from a rolling disk problems. Clear? Now you if you like my teaching, right? So we started a CSIR and gate uh, online batch we started. So we finished something also in the content. We finish. You go to our app is Quantum Online Academy app. So go to our app and download our app and log into our app. Go to see the courses. They will appear CSIR and GATE, IIT, JAM, IIT, JEE, NEET, UPSC, Physics, JL, Central University, DL. But till now, initial stage, still now we have started only that is the concentration of CSIR. Year 2025, I'm concentrating on CSIR and GATE physics course only. If you join in this course, you able to get 2 years validity, you able to get it. So 2 years validity till now because it is not completed. So that's why 2 years validity is there. If you join in this course, 2 years validity, 1 whole year I will teach. I will teach this entire the syllabus, whatever the topics are there, teach and I will upload in our app. Whole year I will teach to you, and 1 more year I am giving to prepare for you, right? So after finishing the entire the syllabus, I will make this 2 year course duration. I will make it a 1 year course duration. Clear? So this opportunity you will get it now only. You utilize this chance. So if you want to crack the JL examination or DL examination based on your syllabus, you have to choose this one also. We reduce the fees and we are keeping that one. If you want to negotiate with me, you have to negotiate with me. Use my fees. So now my this is my contact number. 9908437460 is my contact number. So if you're really interested, whatever the paper is you have lack, maybe you unable to learn the mathematical methods of physics, you able to take the mathematical methods of physics. You unable to learn the classical mechanics, you able to take the classical mechanics. So especially special papers are there. Right now this mathematical methods of physics whole paper we finished, the mathematical methods of physics. Now the classical mechanics is we started. Now almost we are a couple of days we should wind up this classical mechanics. We are in the last topics are there. We are under the Lagrangian formalism and equation of motion. Based on the Lagrangian formalism equation of motion only we started this one. Tomorrow we have to finish that Lagrangian formalism and equation of motion also. Tomorrow we have to finish that part also, and we have to enter into the generalized coordinates, generalized momentum, and cyclic coordinates we have to enter, and then we have to enter into the which one what is that? That is belongs to the Hamiltonian formalism. After finishing the Hamiltonian formalism, we have to go for where we have to go for the periodic motion. If the periodic motion we started and we will finish, so entire the classical mechanics of the core syllabus is finished. Clear? So that is very important. You have to concentrate on this. This is very, very important option. You try to take this course. It course is very, very useful to you. So I am giving the guarantee to you. You have to learn good subject through myself. So I will teach all the papers only single hand. Single teacher will teach to you. So that's why each and every topic I am giving the live class. One question I am discussing to you. If you able to understand this, that is the theory also you able to get it. So once you our app and you, that is your choice, right? So if you want to any negotiation, you able to contact with me. Thank you so much. Tomorrow we will meet you with one more important uh, classical mechanics question, that is from spring mass system. From the spring mass system, how the questions are getting in our competitive examination, those things we able to see in the tomorrow's class. Tomorrow we have to wind up the Lagrangian formalism and equation of motion. So later we have to enter into the some more important topics. Share and like and subscribe our YouTube channel. This YouTube channel will give you so much scientific temper information. Not only scientific temper information, we are giving the CSIR physics, that is the topmost physics concepts we will discuss in our YouTube channel. So you enjoy and share to your friends. Thank you so much.